Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Sorry.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
ma'am. Shanmukh sir present.
Good morning. Write your name in the chat box.
Good morning, ma'am. Shanmukh
Good
sir
morning.
present.
Shanmukh, I have written name. Don't worry. I will say your name.
Ashwin is present.
Sorry.
Ma'am, Tarun sir is present.
Okay. Wait.
Tarun sir is to be present.
Mute yourself. Yes. Write your name in the chat box and mute yourself and open your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please, as you join, don't leave the class. You know today's test, so don't leave the class.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Leave it on time, okay? And mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Good morning. Present. Aman present. Shanmukh, okay. Fiona present, yes. Tejas. Yashashwini present, yes. Oh, I have marked.
Kartika is present, ma'am.
Yes, Swatika present, marked, yes.
I have a small doubt, ma'am.
Who is having doubt?
Shanmukh sir,
Yes, ask, yes. Yes, Shanmukh. Rest, please mute yourself. First of all, mute yourself. Yes, ask your doubt, Shanmukh. Sorry? You are not audible. Shanmukh, please say you are not audible.
मैम नोटबुक में लिखना नोटबुक में लिखना अब्दुल्ला मैम
That I will tell you. Wait, let the other student join. I will tell you, okay? Where you have to write. You can write in English notebook. Okay? Write in English. Sunishka, yes, I have marked. Uddishka.
मैम आई एम अब्दुल्ला मैम
Abdullah, yes, marked attendance. Abdullah present. Trinesh, marked. I will tell your names. I will tell your names. Don't worry. I have your IDs. I know your name. I'll tell you later on. And please don't unmute. 5th ANP, don't unmute now. You don't have to unmute today. You have to do the test. So don't unmute yourself. Keep yourself mute.
टाइम అయిపోయిందా ఆమె ఎవరికి
Let others join. After 5-6 minutes, I will give the test. I will tell you the instructions where you have to write. Yes.
मैम
Yes. Who is?
मैम उदयश्री प्रेजेंट मैम
Yes. I have written name. Udeshri present. I have marked. Nayak present. Arushi present. Tejas present. Yes. Arushi present. Please keep yourself mute. Keep yourself mute.
मैम आई विल जॉइन कंप्यूटर सो आई विल रिमूव हियर मैम
Okay.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Good morning. Please don't unmute yourself. Siddharth. Please unmute. I will write your name by your IDs. Okay.
मैम
Good morning.
मैम सबका कैमरा ऑफ क्यों है मैम?
ऑन है, कैमरा ऑन है।
और पर मेरे में ऑफ क्यों दिख रहा है सारा कैमरा?
मुझे जितने के दिख रहे हैं सबके ऑन है। प्लीज कीप योर कैमराज ऑन, ओके?
सब लोग ऑन है।
And please mute yourself now. Mute. Nobody will say anything.
लगे तो हिमांशी मैम।
Yes.
हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे मैम।
Today is friendship day.
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am,
today is friendship day ma'am।
Today is friendship day.
Happy
friendship. Okay. Okay.
friendship day ma'am। Happy friendship day ma'am।
Happy friendships day. But happy friendship day.
Happy
Okay.
friendship day।
Okay. To all of you now, don't wish one by one. Okay.
Happy friendship day ना।
Sai Sampat is here. Sai Sampat.
Happy friendship day ना।
Sai Sampat. Sai Sampat, can you hear me? Sampat, please mute yourself. Swatika, if you will talk, I will remove you. Swatika, mute yourself. Swatika, mute yourself.
Today is not friendship day.
Swatika, mute yourself.
friendship day అంత మంచిగా చెప్తున్నారు కదా। We don't know.
Swatika, mute yourself.
పింక్ కలర్
Who is talking? Who is talking here?
హ్యాపీ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ డే।
Please mute yourself. Tarun, okay, those who will speak, I will cut your 5 marks from the test.
No ma'am।
I'll cut your 5 marks if you will speak now. And I'll write the name in the chat box, those who will get -5. So mute yourself and don't say anything. If you want me to cut, I'll cut it. Sai Sampat is here. Sai Sampat, can you hear me? Sai Sampat has joined. Sampat,
Yes ma'am।
Sampat, can you hear me?
Yes ma'am।
Sampat, don't leave the class in between. Daily you join and then you leave. Don't leave the class, okay? Every day you come and join and then leave. Don't leave the class. Leave it on time, okay? And this is for everyone. Nobody will leave the class in between, okay? You are getting attendance on daily basis. As you get in school, you are getting attendance. So please don't leave the class in between. You will be marked as absent. I will not give you present. 5th B and 5th A. 5th A, sir is giving you attendance. 5th B, I am giving you attendance. So please don't leave the class. Reshma, mute yourself. Abdul, mute yourself.
Happy friendship day Kaushik।
Don't wish here, Ishant. Don't wish.
Your voice is very low।
Please, if my voice is low, please kindly go, come back, join and come back again. Leave and come back again. Who is this Savala? Who is this Savala Channa? Who is this Savala Channa Keshavalu? Rakshita. Okay.
Happy friendship day Sampath।
Don't
Happy
wish this.
friendship day Sampath।
Who is wishing? Please -5. Who was wishing?
Tarun Chari.
Tarunchari, -5 to you. I am writing here -5 in front of your name.
Ma'am।
Those who will speak now, if you will unmute yourself, I'll give you -5. Remember it. And these marks are going to be added in your report card. So please Don't say anything. If you want your marks, if you want good marks, so please don't say. Mute yourself. Today is your test and I'll give you the test.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is meaning of report card?
Report card, that is your progress card. You get your progress card na? After the session, annual or half yearly. In midterm also you get your report cards na? Progress card when you come and collect with your parents. You have a PTM and then we show you your marks. Remember? Last time it was in November.
Yes,
Swatika, -5 to you. -5 to you.
Ma'am, it's
Sorry?
Ma'am, I think it was after the final exams, right?
After midterm also you get one progress report card and in final also you get one more. Final you would have get final मिला होगा ना आपको. Ankush sir would have sent you final.
मैम क्लास में रहे तो बहुत स्ट्रेस है अभी
Dinesh,
है हमको.
don't unmute. Nivas, what is happening? Sit properly. Sit properly.
Ma'am, Arushi present.
Arushi, yes, I have written.
आज क्लास में पढ़ते हैं हम लोग.
Who is speaking like this? Who is saying? Let me write the names. First of all, -5 to those who are keeping yourself unmute. I am giving you -1 and I'll tell you the name. Hashvita, mute yourself, otherwise -5. Present, I have marked. Yes, I have marked. I'll tell you the names right now. Only 37 students are here. 31 has left, I guess. Okay, after 2 minutes, I'll wait for 2 minutes and then I'll give you the test. You start writing, okay? Now listen the instructions, what you have to do in the test. Don't unmute, just listen, okay? Dinesh, -5, if you are wishing on the chat box, if you will fill the chat box with all these wishes, then what's the use of this class? I'll leave the class, you continue, okay? I'll not take any class from tomorrow, from today. Is it fine? 5th and B.
No, ma'am.
So no wishes in the group. No wishes. If you want to wish, kindly give a phone call to your friend and wish on the telephone calls. Okay? Don't wish in the class.
Ma'am,
No wishes in the chat box. If somebody would come to see you how you are studying, as we have seen one sir has come last month, before 2-3 days back,
ma'am,
and then they will see your chats. You know, they will see your chat box.
Good morning, ma'am. Jessel present.
Yes, Jason marked. Oh, I have marked the attendance. Okay. So for now,
ma'am, I'm present.
for now, Ishant,
Ma'am,
yes.
my father has called me that's why I'll leave the class.
Who is Abdul? You want to leave?
No, ma'am. मैं ठीक था ना, मेरे पापा फोन किया था इसलिए अभी कॉल कट किया मैम मैंने.
Achha, okay, no problem. Okay, so listen for the test for the class now. I am going to start the test. Kindly listen now instructions. Don't say a word, otherwise -5. Mute yourself. Start. You will write the test. I'll give you the instructions. Don't ask the same question again. I will tell you each and everything. Okay.
English or EVS?
Today which class? Yesterday I gave you the timetable and I told you about the English test. So don't ask English or EVS. See the timetable, okay? Okay, so first of all, the instruction is you have to write the test in your English notebooks. Write the test in your English notebooks. Write. Please listen first. Please listen. I'll tell you that also. Listen. Write the test. Don't write in last page. Continue where you are doing the work. You are doing the work daily, na? English work, question answers, new words, meanings. You are writing there every chapter. So where you are Continue from. Please don't say yes and
Ma'am,
yes,
again
no,
tell.
yes
Once
and
again.
please don't say in between 50 and B. Kindly listen.
Ma'am, I already written.
Please listen. Otherwise, I'll write your minus
Once
5.
again tell you.
Ishant, what is the problem? What happened? Mute yourself.
Ma'am.
Okay, so you have to write the test in English notebook. Don't write in last page. Continue where you are doing the work. Continue from there. Okay, write today's date. Write today's date. Date is 30th 3007. I'll show you the date. Okay, write the date and give the heading English class test. Give the heading English class test. Okay. Write the test in. Now listen again. I am saying it again. Instructions I am giving you again. Listen clearly. You have. I will show you the test. Now I am going to present the test.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who is saying? Yes, Ishant.
Ma'am, once again repeat you.
Yes, I am saying it again. Listen the instructions clearly. Don't unmute
Ma'am, 1
yourself.
minute. Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Shall I say?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, 1 minute.
What happened? Dinesh, open your camera first. Dinesh, I'm saying. Sorry, Ishant. Dinesh has opened. Ishant, open your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Abdullah, open your camera.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you, open your cameras. Show your faces.
I open, ma'am.
Siddharth, open your camera.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, ask your doubt.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
दोनों बुक में ही लिखना
Sorry? Wait, Ishant. Yes.
मैम क्वेश्चन और आंसर
जरूर है।
ही लिखना
Question that also I will tell you. Wait, I'll give you every instruction. Wait for the instruction. Ishant,
ma'am.
mute yourself.
ma'am.
Abdul, mute yourself and show your faces. Open your cameras. Show your faces. That is very important instructions we have got from the principals and others.
Ma'am.
Nobody will
Ma'am,
keep
1
switch
minute,
off here.
Ma'am.
So listen now. Okay. First instruction.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Excuse me.
मैम कौन सा लेसन का है मैम वो
So today is your good morning. Don't wish. Listen the instructions.
వినిపిస్తుందా?
Ishant, mute yourself, otherwise -5. Mute yourself. Please mute yourself. I will write -5 in front of your name. This is the full and final instruction now. So the first point is write the test in your English notebook. Don't write the test in last page. Do it where you are writing. Okay, where you are continue from the page where you have. Okay, nobody will write in last page. Write the date of today. Write today's date. Yes, Kirtana is written. Very good, Kirtana. Write today's date and write the heading English class test. No need to write questions. Just write the answers. Write the answers. I have the test question paper with me. Just write the answers. No need to write questions. Okay?
Ma'am, repeat you, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll
give it again and I'll give you again the instructions. But first, don't present now. I'm giving you the test. Start. Be ready for the test. Please don't.
pencil or pen
Use anything. Pen or pencil. Use anything.
we can write with pencil or
Roshan,
Anything.
pen. Laptop line చేద్దాం. Laptop lines చేద్దాం.
Okay. So for now.
we can write with pencil
Listen. Don't. You can write with anything. Pencil or pen. Whatever you have. Write with anything. Okay. So. No.
question and answer ma'am
Write only the answer. Please listen first. Don't.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Which book, ma'am? Anusha.
Ishant, now listen carefully. Mute yourself now. Don't speak in between now.
Ma'am, which book?
Mute yourself first. First is write your test in English notebook. English notebook. Okay. Don't write in last page. You can use either pen or pencil. Write today's date and English class test heading. Now I am presenting. Those who will keep themselves unmute, I'll give you -5. Mute yourself. I will not say this again. Mute yourself. Final instructions. Ishant, don't unmute now, Ishant. Okay. Your notebooks are new, Siddharth. Okay.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ishant. Please
I
don't
have
waste
one
time.
doubt.
Yes, ask your doubt fast. We have to start the test. Yes.
Ma'am, once again you repeat the that one, ma'am.
I'll repeat
Please.
after showing the test. Let me give you the test first. Okay, mute yourself
Okay,
now.
ma'am.
Nobody will present anything in between. Fifth A and B, no need to present yourself. You have to just write the test. No need to say anything, just do the test. Write in English notebook, write today's date, give the heading English class test. Don't write on the last page. Okay? Write with pen or pencil.
Ma'am, in English notebook.
Yes, English notebook.
Ma'am, test will given in English notebook.
Yes, Ishant. English notebook. English notebook.
Ma'am, we can send our answers after writing.
You can send me that also. I will tell you after the class. First, do the test. That I'll give you later on. Please don't say anything now. Mute yourself. Fifth A and B. Kaveri, I have marked. Don't say your name again. I can see the names. Don't say again. So, my screen is in front of you. I am showing you the test now. Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
nobody will say a word now. Just do it as your exam. Nobody will say anything. Write the test. Only answers. You can write questions also. Okay? Question and answers. Right?
Ma'am, can I bring my pad?
Oh,
So this is the test. Write the heading.
Bring my pad.
Sorry?
Bring my pad.
There is no power, ma'am. In my phone also charging 2%.
Who is saying this? No charging, no phone, no. Who is saying this?
Ma'am, Manu.
Manu? You can join with some other. You can start the test. You can join with any other phone. Okay, Manu?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, come fast. So this is the test. Date I have written here and I have written English class test and I have written the date also. Okay. So you can write it from here. Give the date and write English class test. Okay. Write answer question 1 answer, question 2 answer. You can see and just listen here. You can see here question number 1 answer the following questions. There are 3 questions in first question. Okay. A part write first A, first B, like this you can write first A, then first B, then first C. Okay, like this you can do.
Ma'am, I have written A1, A2, A3 like that. Is it?
Yes, okay, it's okay, no problem. You can write A1, A2, A3. Then you will write. Then next you will write A2, B2, C2. Okay.
Ma'am, what was the question?
Questions are written in front of you. So kindly start writing the answers. Answer the following questions. First is in which season is ice cream popular? Okay.
Okay, okay. Ma'am.
Second is don't write the answers. Don't write the
Like 1A, 1B, 1C,
yes
2A, 2B.
yes you can write like this. 1A, 1B, 1C, 2A, 2B, 2C, 3A, 3B, 3C. Okay. Question and answer you have to write. First write the question and then write the answer. Okay. So start writing the test.
You have to write the question also.
Yes, you can. Yes, you have to. I'm writing a write questions. I'm writing instructions here. Write questions also. Okay. Write questions also and then answer. Okay. So
Ma'am, questions also write. Ma'am, I write for answers.
write questions and answers both. Question and answer both.
Ma'am.
Sorry?
Write the answers, ma'am.
Okay, those who have written the listen. If you have written the answer from the next, you can write the questions. Okay. Now next you write the questions.
Ma'am, I am writing like this.
I'll see later on. I can't see now. I will see later on. Just write your test. Now quietly write your test. Okay.
Ma'am, can we start?
Yes, you can start.
Write the names of the new popular. Good soda hai.
Don't talk. Mute yourself. Otherwise, I'll give -5.
Ma'am, what is the first question? B1.
B1. Okay. Write the name of the new dish made by the cook. First question is, in which season is ice cream popular? Second, write the name of the new dish made by the cook. Third, what did the cook plan to do with the vegetable
Ma'am,
scraps?
second one, ma'am.
Second one is, write the name of the new dish made by the cook.
Cook.
Okay. Second, second is, write the meanings of the following words: teamwork, in a fix, mounds. Third is, circle the describing words: strawberry flavor, round batten, wonderful waste. You have to circle the describing words. Give one words for the following: a person who paints the walls, a person who repairs the taps, a person who make things from wood. You have to give one word, okay? Write 3 compound words using the word every. You have to use the word every and you have to write 3 compound words. Nobody will keep themselves unmute. Mute yourself and nobody will write any answer in chat box. If I'll see it, I'll give you minus. I'll give minus to that person. Okay? No answering in chat box. You will not tell to others.
Write the name.
Ma'am, Zoom, ma'am.
Yes, I'll make. Don't. Okay, let me see your. Sorry, it has gone now. Okay, here it is.
Ma'am, test is not visible.
Wait, I'll.
Ma'am,
Okay, see here. Okay.
write the name. And somewhere in made by the cook. Write
Don't speak and write. If you will speak, others will get to know the answer. Don't speak and write, okay? Just see the question and write.
मैम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस में सेकंड वन का डिश का नाम ही लिखना है.
हाँ, only name. Write the name of the new dish made by the cook. Only the name you have to write. Okay? You can write the name of the new dish made by the cook is. Okay? Like this.
wrong.
Sorry? Wait, somebody is joining. Wait. Somebody is joining. Wait, I'll. I think somebody joined.
Ma'am, test is gone, ma'am.
Yes, wait. Ishant, mute yourself. Somebody was joining. Okay.
Ma'am, test is gone, ma'am.
I'll showing the list. Okay, no. Okay.
Ma'am, show fifth question, ma'am.
Fifth is here. Write three compound words using the word every. It is visible there down. Write three compound words using the word every. Okay. You have to use the word every and then you have to make a compound word.
Do, ma'am.
Yes. Any doubt? Yes. Bolo. Any doubt?
You want to write question also?
Yes.
The vegetable. मैम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सी वाला क्वेश्चन क्या है?
First ka C part. First question
yes,
C part. Okay. What did the cook plan to do with the vegetable scraps? What did the cook plan to do with the vegetable scraps?
प्लांट मीन्स मैम
प्लान्ड क्या सोचा था उसने? कुक ने वेजिटेबल स्क्रैप्स के बारे में क्या सोचा था? क्या करेगा वो वेजिटेबल स्क्रैप से? सबसे पहले जब उसने देखा था वेजिटेबल स्क्रैप्स को तो उसने क्या सोचा था? वो क्या करेगा? Don't answer, write the answer.
नहीं आ रहा.
If you don't know that, if you don't know any answer, leave it and then continue. Do rest questions. Okay, rest of the questions. Write the answers to rest of the questions. Leave that. Do it at the last. Okay. Don't waste your time on one question. You will lose marks then. So I am writing here marks here.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I send in your personally.
You have done the test?
No, ma'am.
So yes, I'll okay. You can say I will tell you this later, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
I'm writing the marks here for every question. First question is of 4 marks.
Over. Test is over.
Who has done the test? Sorry? First question is of 4 marks. Second question is of 3 marks. Third is also of 3 marks. Fourth, 3. And then 2. Okay? I have written the marks also here. Okay? 4, 3, 3, 3, 2.
Test is over.
Who is saying test is over? Sorry? Who is saying? Don't talk. Who is talking? Let me do -5.
Ma'am, Sweta.
So, Tarun, mute
Test
yourself.
is gone.
Wait, Tarun, first of all, mute yourself. Swatika, mute yourself. You are already -5, Swatika. So don't. Tarun also already -5. So don't unmute. Otherwise, -5. Over, ma'am. Shweta is saying over. Okay, Shweta, you can revise the test if it is over. Revise it. If there will be any spelling mistake, I'll cut that marks. No spelling mistakes in English.
Ma'am,
Yes.
did the second and third question which lesson, ma'am?
Second and third question, which lesson? These are from your. I have given you 3 lessons: Ice Cream Man, Wonderful Ways, Teamwork. These are from these 3 only. Nothing from outside.
Test is over.
Those who have done the test kindly revise. Those who have done the test kindly revise the test. Or if you have done, send it on. Click the photo, click the picture, and send it on my WhatsApp number personally. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who have completed the test, first revise the test, and after revision, click the picture and send.
the question of second one?
Second is write the meanings of the following words. You have to write the meanings of following words. A total test is of 15 marks. Okay.
Meaning.
Meaning, you have to write the meanings of the words. इन वर्ड्स के मतलब लिखने हैं. इससे क्या मतलब होता है, टीम वर्क का क्या मतलब है, मीनिंग्स. ओके.
टीम वर्क का क्या मतलब?
टीम वर्क इन अ फिक्स माउंट्स. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट द मीनिंग्स.
Excuse me.
All these things I have already given you. Yesterday I gave you one link. Everything is there in that link.
Work. Team work. Ma'am.
Yes.
Work.
Fourth question.
Sorry.
क्या मामला मैम?
Yes.
Yesterday I didn't read, ma'am, because my sister got it there, ma'am.
आपको जितना आता है उतना टेस्ट करो. No, whatever you know, you write it. Okay, and then send to me. I'll see it. And start preparing your chapters 5th A and B. Your test will come in August, periodic test. And if you will do like this, then you will not be able to pass. Start preparing your question answers and books. Get the textbooks from the market or you can download it. Don't give these excuses. We don't have textbooks. Kindly get it now. How will you prepare for exam?
What is the fourth question?
Fourth question is give one words for the following. A person who paints the walls, a person who repairs the taps, a person who makes things from wood. Sorry?
Ma'am,
Yes.
what will have to do in third one?
Third, you have to circle the describing words. I have already told you what. If you know what are describing words, you will be able to do this. Describing words. Circle the describing words.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to circle.
Circle the describing words. Write the 3A, write strawberry flavor and then circle. Okay? Like this you have to write. 3A, write strawberry flavor and then circle the word which you think it is the describing word.
Ma'am, second one क्या है?
Ma'am, I will send in personally.
Yes, you can send personally. Now revise. If you have done, revise the test.
Ma'am, I am Nishant.
Okay, Ishant, you can send.
स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लावर को डिस्क्राइबिंग क्या है मैम?
Circle the describing word. Strawberry flavor में describing word कौन सा है? स्ट्रॉबेरी डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड है या फ्लेवर डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड है? जो भी डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड है उसको सर्कल करो.
मैम, एक बार मेरे ईयरफोन्स देखो.
मैं आपका टेस्ट बाद में देखूंगी शांत. आफ्टर द क्लास. डोंट से टू सी इट नाउ. आई कांट सी राइट नाउ. ओके, आई सी इट आफ्टर द क्लास.
मैम, एक बार मेरे ईयरफोन्स देखो. ईयरफोन.
All of after completing, revise your test. Okay, and then you can send me. And after the test will be over, I will send you the answers. You can match the answers. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ishant.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bolo.
मैम, एक बार मेरा ईयरफोन्स देखो.
Ma'am,
Why will I see your earphones,
एक
Ishant?
बार मेरा ईयरफोन.
Don't say all these things in class, Ishant. No, nobody will look at the earphones. Don't do this.
Question. क्या है मैम? थर्ड क्वेश्चन सर्किल.
Circle the describing words. First is strawberry flavor. You have to circle the describing word. Whether strawberry is a describing word or flavor is a describing word. Whichever you think is a describing word, circle that. Okay?
Ma'am, describing means?
I will not tell what is describing. I have already explained you this. I have given you worksheet also regarding this. I have explained you in last. I have already told you in 4th class also what is describing word, what are describing words, and how to see, how to check this. I have already told you.
Earphone.
Ishant, if you will say again, I'll remove you from the class. Don't say that see your earphones and nobody will see at your earphones here. Class is going on, test is going on.
It is gone.
Sorry?
What is second one, ma'am?
Second one is write the meanings of the following words. Teamwork in a fixed mounts.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I did not revise, ma'am.
So I can't do anything now. I have given you everything in the link. See, if you are not preparing, that is not my problem. I have given you yesterday. I gave you. Sorry.
Ma'am, yesterday is my sister's birthday, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes. Who is saying?
Gone, ma'am.
Screen. Wait.
Ma'am, screen is gone. Gone.
Please mute yourself. Who is shouting? -5. Please don't shout. Don't shout.
Taranchari, ma'am.
-5. Those who will shout. Please mute yourself. I am presenting the test. Yes.
Ma'am, that is gone, ma'am.
Wait, I am showing the test. Okay. Arushi, mute yourself. Kirtana, mute yourself. Otherwise, -5. Ishant, Dinesh, mute yourself. So, after completing, please revise the test. Don't waste time at one question, please. If you don't know the answer, leave that part and do the rest. Okay?
मैम फिफ्थ वन का आंसर क्या है मैम? मेरे को पता नहीं आ रहा.
Fifth one is write 3 compound words using the word every. First of all, remember what are compound words. I have told you what are compound words.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Compound words क्या होते हैं पहले वो सोचो and then use the word every and then make a compound words. Okay? So those who have revised the chapter, you can see compound words concept is given in your teamwork chapter. In teamwork, there is a concept of compound words.
He wrote only questions, he didn't write answers.
Who is writing only questions?
Likitesh.
Likitesh is writing only questions. Likitesh, you will get 0. 15 marks. 15 marks test and then 0. Out of 15, 0.
No date. See, ma'am, how he wrote.
So, make him write date and heading. Okay? Say him to write the date and heading and then answers.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am and Fiona, I have finished the test and I have also sent you the pic.
Okay, I'll see if you have revised the test, Fiona. Revision?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So I'll see the test. Okay. Okay, those who have done, they can send me on the WhatsApp right now. I'll see it after the class, okay? And after the class, you will get the answers of this. You can check by yourself, okay? I'll check and I'll tell you the marks. But before you can check, after looking at the answers, you can check, okay?
Cambridge.
Wait, somebody is joining, I guess. Somebody is joining now.
Cambridge ఎప్పుడు ఇట్లనే
Ma'am, screen is gone.
ma'am.
Here is the screen. Don't shout. Here is the screen. Somebody was joining. I was admitting. Okay, you have 3 minutes more to do the test. After 3 minutes, I will stop the test. Okay. 5th A and B, you have last 3 minutes to do the test now. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who is?
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes. Yes, you can drink water.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can I ask it?
Yes. Yes. Who is it? Tejas? Is it Tejas?
Yes.
Yes, Tejas. Ask the doubt.
Ma'am, what is meaning of compound?
That you should remember. Na, I told you compound words. I have given you worksheet also in the 2-3 days back. I have given you worksheet. Compound words.
Somebody is present.
What happened? What happened?
Is presenting.
Ma'am,
Okay, wait. I'm resuming it. 1 minute is left for the test. After 1 minute, I will stop the presentation. After 1 minute, I will stop the 1 minute is left to do your test, and in another 1 minute, I'll give you instructions. Okay. 1 minute more. Those who have not done the test, I'll give the test in the WhatsApp group. You can complete afterwards. Okay. After completing, send it to me. Okay.
Ma'am, test over.
Test is over. Send it to me, Tejas. Send the test to me.
Okay, I'll get my marks.
So after the class 5th A and B, after the class, send your tests to me personally, all of you. Okay?
Ma'am, my test is over, ma'am.
Okay, if test is over, click the picture and send to my number, WhatsApp number. Okay?
Ma'am.
Send to me WhatsApp personally. If you have done, send to me. Don't say.
Ma'am, what is the fourth one question? What is the fourth one question?
Give one word for the following. Give one words for the following. A person who paints the walls, a person who repairs the taps, a person who makes things from wood. Yes.
Ma'am, what is in a fix, ma'am?
In a fix, that you have to think and write. You have to write the meaning in a fix.
Ma'am, next one, pounds what, ma'am?
Yes, sorry.
Ma'am, second one question what?
Second is write the meaning of the following words. You have to write the meaning of the following words.
Which following words, ma'am?
Sorry?
What is pound, ma'am? Mounts, ma'am.
Okay. The time is, I'm stopping this presentation now.
Please, ma'am.
Okay. Time is over. Time.
No, ma'am, no.
Okay.
Please.
Wait. Who is saying bye? -5 to those who will leave now. Listen first, the instructions.
Okay, ma'am.
Listen. I'll give those who have not done the test. Listen to me.
Your presentation has...
First of all, mute yourself. Tarun -5. Tarun -5. Arushi -5.
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Mute yourself. Jazel -5. Arushi -5. First of all, listen. Don't leave now. 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute and listen. Those who have not done the test,
Excuse me, ma'am.
please listen first. Dinesh, sorry, Ishant, don't speak in between now. Those who have not done the test or something is left, if something is left in the test, you can, I'll give you after the class, I'll give you the PDF in the WhatsApp group. See the test and kindly write the answers and send to me. Okay? Time is over for the class. If somebody has left some of the part of the test, I will give you the PDF in the group. Okay? Okay, I'll give Arushi, I will send the test in the group. You can do it from there. Okay? I'll give the test in the group.
Ma'am, I
Okay?
taken the screenshot of the test.
So now, those who have done, kindly send the test and I have the names with me. Those who are present for the test, wait Dinesh, wait. I have the names with me. I'll ask you with the name to send the test. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Ishant.
Yes, Nishant.
Ma'am, you send it now. You send now only.
I will send the test after the class. Let the class gets over. I will send you the test in the group and then you can do it and then send to me. Okay? Do the test and send to me.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, now you can leave the class. Those who have left, I'll give to you. Okay?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Send your test personally. All of you send your test personally to me.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, everyone.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Arushi. Ask your doubt.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, we will
Bye.
send these questions in WhatsApp group.
Yes, I will send this question. I will send this test in the WhatsApp group. Ishant, don't present.
Bye, ma'am.
Ishant, don't present.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Is the homework?
Homework is nothing. The homework was to complete this test and send it to me. Okay? Nothing homework.
Ma'am,
How can I send?
Yes.
what is homework?
Not, homework is nothing. Just complete the test and check the test. I'll give you the answers. Check it. Okay?
Ma'am, my test are not done, ma'am.
Sorry?
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the homework?
No homework. No homework. You have to. Homework is to just check your test. I'll give you the test and I'll give you the answers. Check it. Okay? This is the homework. Don't ask this again and again. I'm saying so many times.
No homework.
Okay, class is over. You can leave one by one. You can leave one by one. The class is over. If you have doubt, ask on WhatsApp number. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Ishant, don't present. You can leave one by one. If you have doubt, then you can ask. Kindly send the test.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I sent the test, ma'am.
Okay, I'll see now. Okay, I'll see. Shall I leave? Yes, Vishishta, you can leave. Yes,
Bye, ma'am.
send the test personally. Yes. Bye. Okay.